Ohuhu Alcohol Markers Brush Tip. Brush and chisel, double tip, double the fun. Widen your artistic horizons with the dual-tip marker design. Choose the brush tip for sweeping, calligraphic strokes or quickly color in large areas with the wide chisel tip. The only limit is your imagination. Easy blending, no smudging. Forget about blotchy, uneven coloring. High-quality ink blends seamlessly to achieve beautiful coloring effects, even for beginners. 48 vibrant colors plus 1 colorless blender. The rainbow is at your fingertips. Choose from 48 brilliant colors and bring your ideas to life. Whether it's a coloring book or a masterpiece in the making, your artwork is sure to shine with these brush markers. Alcohol-based ink, dries instantly. Never let wet ink ruin your work again. Draw smudge-free thanks to its fast-drying, alcohol-based formula. Find colors fast. Don't waste time looking for the right color. Color-coded caps keep tips from drying out and help you find any marker in a flash. As a bonus, the free carrying case keeps your markers organized and portable for any coloring adventure. Great gift idea.